What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about the power of online marketing and how to use it in your business. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: the power of online marketing and how to use it in your business. All right, so why is online marketing so powerful? Okay, let's start with the obvious. Obviously, you're able to reach more people. Okay, that's number one. Number two, so powerful because anyone can use it. Anyone can use online marketing to start a business. Okay. Number three, you can automate it. You know why that's so powerful within itself? You get to do other things while your business is still moving and still generating sales, still providing income, still getting noticed, still getting people to see your products, brand awareness, all these things because the power of online marketing. Okay? Let's for instance, the president election, right? Coming up. A lot of the marketing is where? Online. Because this is where the people are. Online is where everyone is. That's why it's so powerful. It's so easy and so like just untouchable to any other type of marketing. Marketing on like Netflix and marketing on like Hulu and all these other TV channels and regular cable and all that good stuff that it's gone. It's not even. I feel like it's not even worth most of these people's time because a lot of people can actually go out and be like, all right, well, let me find a product to be affiliated with. You find a product to be able to affiliate with, do an ad spin, and if you do the ad spin right, you can make yourself some money. Then you take the money and then you just keep doing it. Keep recycling the process until it doesn't work anymore. Then you move on to something else online, whatever avenue or direction you need to go with to make your money online. And the beautiful thing about online, like I just said, a lot of it's automated. Once you put the advertisement out, boom, you can go about your day. You can go to work. You can go play with your kids. You can chill with your wife, or you can chill with your husband, whoever you are, right? And then come back to your computer and see, hey, I got signups, I got trial offers, or I got money, right? But you didn't do anything. You weren't there. You posted, you put things in place, you blog posted, you dropped the YouTube video, you did some some paid marketing, and you walked away. And you made money. That's why it's powerful. Because you can end up having time freedom to do other things, to either expand your business, to spend time with your family, spend time with yourself, right? Do things that you want to do your hobbies, live your life, and still make money. That's why it's so powerful. Okay, that is powerful within itself. Now, how you can use it in your business, it all depends on your business model. But for the most part, any business can use online marketing. Any business, okay? All you have to do is just learn a couple things, a couple little ins and outs and tricks and things of that sort, and learn how to configure an ad or pay someone to configure an ad for you. Okay? And boom. Business up and running online, getting traffic to your location or whatever website, whatever it is, and you start making money. because you use the power of the internet, online marketing. Super powerful. Okay? So, if you want to learn more about online marketing and the tools that you can use for online marketing, there's a link in the description below where you can actually get started for free for a week, take 7 days, and figure out how to use these tools to create a better business, okay? Or you can use these tools to sell to other businesses and make money, okay? It's fairly easy, fairly straightforward. Just click the first link, okay, and you'll learn a little bit more about it. Put your information in, watch the video, and learn how you can use these tools to make you a lot of money online. All right, so thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon, signing off for the power of online marketing and how you can use it in your business. Until next time, it's your boy Devon, signing off for the Wealth Builders. Do remember, Wealth Builders? Also, before you go ahead and sign up to the free newsletter, okay, where you can get more business news and learn how to make more, save more, and build more.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.